what your response was to that, how much of that you knew, and sort of the action that you took.
As soon as I became aware that there were discrepancies in these two individuals' time reporting records and other information related to when they were in and out of the parking garage, for example, I was very concerned. And as soon as we and I became aware of it, as you know, it came about as a result of a public records request. As soon as I became aware of it, I took immediate action. I thought that there was enough of a question to send it to the Inspector General to do a full investigation, so I asked him to do a full investigation, and as you know, those two individuals tendered their resignations at my request as soon as that information, to the extent of the information that was available to me, and when I went to them and asked them that question, you know, can you document your time? It doesn't seem adequate. I'm concerned. We're going to have an investigation, and we also are going to ask you to leave your position, and that's exactly what I did.
It sounded as if, from what I've read and heard about it, that you know, these were females who maybe perhaps you were trying to give some flexibility to. Am I right in that? And did that raise concerns and cause you to have to kind of crack down more on being able to give people time to pick up their kids and things like that?
I mean, obviously, I don't want to speak and say something that might otherwise be protected by some HIPAA or other rules or regulations, but the two individuals, that yes, they were women, health issues with one and family issues with another issues. I'm not defining what issues means. I don't know that I would take that to be a good thing or a bad thing. I don't want to specifically say things that, again, might violate their rights to privacy. And I tried to afford them flexibility to adjust their schedule in a way that best met their individual and family needs. Unfortunately, based on the information that I saw when I asked them to resign, and obviously what was reported in the Inspector General's report indicated that they took advantage of that situation. My goal, my rule, follow the law. It always has been that, and we're very clear that as you know, state employees, you have to follow the law with regard to the job that you do and how you do it, and you also have to follow policies and procedures established. And we have improved policies and procedures where we believed it was necessary to address anything that might be perceived as an opportunity to do, unfortunately in that case, what was done.
Thank you.
Lieutenant Governor, do you have any...
Randy, hang on.
Sorry.
Can you go to the mic?